Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Nick. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's been a good long minute, but hello, sorry, I am back. Okay, if you are new here, welcome and thank you for stopping by my channel. My name is Anik. I'm 28. I'm restarting my budgeting journey and we are getting out of debt. So if that is what you are into or that is what you're trying to do, baby, come on over here because we're in the same boat. Okay. But anyways guys, if you do enjoy the content on this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any time I post, as well as make sure you hit that like button if you like this video. You know, just let your girl know, let me know what's up, so all that good jazz. I'm also on TikTok guys, so follow me, like all that good jazz. But anyways, as you guys can see, we are doing our budget for the second paycheck, not the fourth, the second paycheck in July, and not the third, the second paycheck. I'm gonna get it together, I promise. We are doing our budget for the second paycheck in July, and we are excited, child. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay guys, so we are back. Yep, and we're gonna write down this budget for this July 15 paycheck to see what we're working with, to make sure that baby girl is getting her life together. Okay, so all of that good jazz is gonna be happening in this video, and this is the actual cash that I have that I will be stuffing after your girl budgets it, you know, get into it. So well, let's start. So let me zoom you guys in a little bit so you guys can see what your girl is working with, you know. Show me what you're working with. Shake. Okay, not where we're supposed to be going. But you know what? It's okay. It's okay. We move. All right, let's back it up a little bit. All right, get into it. Okay, so for my salary, I have a budget of $640. I actually got $640.97, but the 97 cents honestly is either going to go to my emergency fund, other that I have in the bank account that keeps the, you know, change or whatever, or it's going to go to my credit card. So one or the other, but it's already transferred, so I don't even count it. So salary is $640, and I'm also going to use the carryover that I said I was going to do from July 1st, because that will help me pay for my bills that you guys can see here. So this is $851.04, and I'm just trying a little new technique, you guys, to see what happens, because your girl, trust me sweetie, like we was trying to figure it out, and we're just trying to make sure whatever we do is the best for us. So that is 640 plus 851.04, which comes out to a total of $1,491.04, which we are working with today. All right, so I've listed out all my bills that is going to fall on this paycheck. This carryover is supposed to cover all of these bills. So literally what we're going to do is we're going to calculate all of these bills and make sure they're below this $851.04, which it's supposed to be because we calculated for it to be. Okay, so the first bill is electricity, which is $120 plus $100 for Merrick, plus ADT is $53.91. Plus Navy Fed is supposed to get $50. Apple Care is supposed to get $8.55. Apple One is supposed to get $24.41. Car payment is supposed to be $401. And water is $75. So it's an estimate, it's budgeted, that I'm supposed to spend $832.87 on bills for this portion of the month, right? So that's cute, that's cool. So that leaves me with a little extra wiggle room. So this is $1491.04 minus this $832.87 leaves me with $658.17 to work with. So that's how we are going to budget this money. We're gonna budget this $658.17, but since we only have $640, this other 18 cents and this other $18.17 is actually in the bank. But we are gonna be figuring out basically the cash which we have on hand, which is this $640 right here. So we are gonna go groceries. So groceries is gonna get $150. I just knew from my dad being here that one time that $150 would work best for me for 2 weeks. Because with only feeding myself, then this works for me. But if it was for 2 people, this is just 1 week, little baby. But for me, myself, and I, for the next 2 weeks, this is good. For gas, I'm gonna do $40. Allowance, I'm gonna do $20. Household, I'm gonna do $5. Toiletries, I'm gonna do $5. And then hair care, I'm gonna do $25. Okay, so I didn't pre-plan this, so I don't know, child. $150 plus $40 plus 20. Ooh, sorry, make sure y'all can see. Plus 5 plus 5 plus 25 equal $245. So this is the total of $245 right here. And we had a total of $658.17 minus that $245. We have $413.17 to work with. I'm gonna move on from emergency fund real quick. Ooh, yeah, I'm gonna move on from emergency fund real quick, and I'm going to move into the sinking funds portion. So for my car maintenance, I am doing I want to say I'm doing $30. For travel is gonna be $30 as well. For Christmas it's just gonna be $10. For clothing it's gonna be $15. For my birthday it's gonna be $3, and for a month ahead it's gonna be $2. So this $413.17. Okay, so 30 plus 30 plus 10 plus 15 plus 3 plus 2 equal $90. So this is $90. So I should put more in car maintenance because I'm supposed to be doing something with my car to get me like get my car fixed. But $90 is in sinking funds. So from the $413.17 that we had minus $90, we have $323 to work with. So we still have emergency fund down here, and I'm gonna write in another category, which is Navy Fed CC, which is basically the same thing as this up here. This is the credit card, Navy Fed credit card. And so, ooh child, got a notification. We're doing a additional payment of $200 towards that. So that will be a total of $200 down here. Child, I have way too much money left over, and I don't think this is right. Maybe I'll do more to Navy Fed CC. Ooh, I probably should do more. I should put more. Like, this is seriously what budgeting is, like thinking about stuff on the fly while you're recording it apparently. But I put $200 to Navy Fed, but my emergency fund only needs, I'm only giving it $50. So I'm gonna subtract this $200 from the additional payment. I'm gonna subtract this $50 for my emergency fund, and then I'm gonna have $73.87. And so for car maintenance, I'm gonna do $80 instead. So that's an additional $50. So I'm gonna minus $50. So that leaves me with $23.17. And I'm gonna put that $23.17 on my Navy Fed CC. So let me get my whiteout real quick. Let me get my Y out. It's gonna be 223.17. So 223.17. Okay. So hopefully you guys can see that is $223.17. And so down here also changes. Come on now, little baby, work with your girl. Well, what is we doing? Did we run out of whiteout? No, child, it just had it the wrong way. Hold up, baby girl. Hold up, girl. Let's see. Come on, sis. There we go. Okay. So this is 223.17. It's not as dark as I would like, but that's okay. That is A-okay. Let me try a different marker and see if it shows up better. This is 223.17. This is 223.17. Okay, that shows up a little better. So $223.17 is going to go to my credit card. So when we do income source, our income source budgeted is $1491.04. that is how much we are budgeting to have come in. And then in expenses, oh sorry, I'm shaking the table. I love that K Michelle. Like, you know, certain clips just make stuff. That's what that did. So the expense total in itself is $832.87. The cash envelopes, the cash envelopes are $245. The sinking funds or additional savings is $50. Oh, I should probably put that down here too, huh? I should do that. The sinking funds is $90. And the additional debt is $223.17. So let's do a quick calculation. So we have $1491.04 minus $832.87 minus $245 minus $50 minus $90 minus. Child, this number changed too. Why y'all ain't remind me? So this changed from 90 to 140. This number right here changed from 90 to 140 because I was like, baby, where is this extra money coming from? Okay, please, Carisha, please. Okay, but because the car maintenance, don't forget car maintenance changed from 30 to 80. Now this 90 went up from 90 to 140. I want to be saying I'm low-key showing off, but you know, I'm calculating in my head. Ooh. So, yes, that is 140. So, let's redo, because we also have to update this as well. Child, when you make a mistake, like, so many things that affected. So many things get affected. Okay. Now let's do the recalculation. So $1491.04 minus the expense of $832.87 minus cash envelopes of $245 minus additional savings of $50 minus sinking funds of $140 minus additional debt of $223.17 leaves us with $0.00, which is what we love to see. And so that is what we'll put down here. Okay, So that is it for my budgeting, guys. That is how I'm going to break down the $640, which is my salary right here, which I basically got. Like I said, the $18.17, which is the like extra that's left over from this $851.04 that was transferred to pay all my bills, will pay my credit card. So once I do my final like check-in, then you'll see the boom bada bang, all that good jazz of what exactly happened in July. And so yeah, so we are gonna close out this video. That's all I got for y'all today. I hope y'all like and enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and share this video with a family, friend, or foe. Okay, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn your notification bell on so you can see whenever I post a video and be up to date. And this is the money that we're going to be cash stuffing, so check out that video, which is going to be coming on tomorrow. Okay, all right guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing, but she ain't